Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. Previously, we unboxed the M5 stack M5NanoH2. It's a ESP32 for Zigbee, Matter, and Thread. A really interesting device. You're going to want to watch that video. We're going to set up Arduino IDE and upload our first example sketch to the M5NanoH2. So we're going to follow along this article. Yeah, they're reminding us to go into download mode. You have to hold the button when you connect the USB-C cable. There's there's the pin out there, and the Grove connector is described as well. Other various data sheets. Yeah, here we go. Nano H2 Arduino example program compilation and upload. So they have an Arduino installation guide. Yeah, you're going to want to look for the link down below to this M5 stack docs page. It's very thorough. Yeah, setting up the Arduino IDE. Yeah, we need the board management package. And they also talk about installing Arduino libraries for specific M5 stack boards. Okay, so there's the URL for the board manager URL in the Arduino IDE. We're going to copy that. And let's go over to Arduino IDE. I'm going to go ahead and expand this out to full screen. And then up here under File, Preferences, and then down at the bottom, Additional Boards Manager URLs. We go ahead and paste that in here. You may already have some other ones in there, but you need this one for M5 stack. All right, so we're going to install the Boards Manager package for M5 stack. Here it is, 3.2.5. As of the making of this video anyway. Go ahead and hit install. That's obviously going to take some time. We might crop some of this out. Okay, we can see the board manager package is installed. So now we should be able to select the board here under board M5 stack, and we'll scroll way down to the bottom here. There we go, M5NanoH2. Now it doesn't light up like it's connected, but it will show up in that top bar there. We'll play around with that again later. Yeah, it just showed up just there. Now they talk about adding specific libraries for M5 stack products. Yeah, there's a variety of M5 stack products have their own library package. If you search M5 stack, you get a whole bunch, and I scrolled through and I didn't see any Nano H2. So I'm going to search for M5 Nano. And they only have the Nano C6. I also went to GitHub, and there is no specific library for the Nano H2 published in the library manager, even on GitHub. Okay, so we do need to install the Adafruit NeoPixel library in Arduino IDE. Let's get back over there. We'll search for Adafruit NeoPixel. And there's a whole bunch of Adafruit NeoPixel libraries. Make sure you select the correct one. Very specific. Yeah, no, there it is. Adafruit NeoPixel. Go ahead and hit install on that. And that's going to take some time. We'll crop and compress. But in the meantime, we can go ahead and copy the code from this doc page here and paste it into Arduino IDE. Select all, paste. There we go. It's a remarkably simple sketch. Just set up and then loop through, setting that RGB LED red, green, and blue every half second. So I had to go into Device Manager to see which USB serial device to select. I'm going to go with COM9. Yeah, so I had to go in here and actually select the COM9 port. It didn't automatically detect it. And then, yeah, I'm going to make sure I have the right board selected again here. There we go, M5 Nano H2. Okay, the check marks are all there. We'll hit OK, and we'll see it'll light up now. It'll get like bold. Yeah, see, it's bold. It's connected. Before it wasn't showing bold M5 Nano H2. Yeah. So now, first of all, yeah, hold the button down, connect the USB-C cable. Now we're ready to upload. There we go. Hit that button. Obviously, this takes time, so we'll crop some of that out. I just want to give you a feel for what you're going to see while you're doing this. Oh, wow, that's just incredible. Red, green, blue, really bright too. Yeah, that's amazing. I enjoyed working with this device and I'm looking forward to it. More with it, yeah, because I want to check out the Nano H2 Thread Arduino example. I'm interested in these different radio protocols after working with Meshtastic so much. And there's a Nano H2 Zigbee example sketch too. Yeah, so I want to check these out for like home automation, home security, etc. Look for the link to the product page, the document page, and leave a comment down below what you want to do with the M5NanoH2. Interesting device, great price. Okay, leave a comment down below, give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my M5 Stack videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.